Action.
This is the best pussy I'm gonna have.
I've had better.
But mine's white!
I've had black. No, I'm kidding.
We're not racist, people.
No, it's just we're really talking about cat things. Oh, look at that view. Aw. Hi, Shay. You can't. No, you can't have it. No. No, you can't have it. You can't have it. That's not gonna work with me. No, you can't have it. Yeah. That's not gonna work with me. That's what I thought. She knows it's not gonna work. I'm surprised she's not screaming her head off.
She's like, yeah!